Hello, and once again welcome to Ebong TV, and today I want to be showing you guys how to produce air freshener at home. So over here is my Texapon. I'll be adding Texapon to this my air freshener production, reason because I don't want my mixtures to separate. Texapon helps in keeping the ingredients together so that you won't see the mixtures, some of them floating on top of your air freshener. They will all stay together. So that's the job of Texapon. It makes the mixture stay together. Then this is my alcohol. It's actually called methanol. In the production of air freshener, you can make use of alcohol. It could be the methanol, the ethanol, or the isopropyl alcohol. Any of the alcohol will work. So in this my video, I'm making use of methanol. So methanol is actually what makes the scent of the air freshener to spread to enter the other part of your room or your house when you spray it. So that's the job of the alcohol. And this is my methylparaben. So the methylparaben helps us or comes into our ingredient like a preservative. This is a preservative for our air freshener. This helps so that the scent or the fragrance of your air freshener will not fade away. This will help to preserve your air freshener for a long time. It's called the methylparaben. It's a preservative for air freshener. What we are actually producing is 1 liter of air freshener. That is our target. I'm producing 1 liter of air freshener. So just in case you want to increase the liters, you just double the ingredient that I have listed here in this video. If you want to produce 2 liters, you double the ingredients I have listed and produce 2 liters. So over here is our color. You can make use of any color of your choice when making air freshener. Make use of any color of your choice. Just make sure that the color is attractive. Then I'll be listing our fragrances we'll be using for the air freshener. I want to use a mixture of raspberry, lemon, and lavender. You can actually use any fragrance of your choice. You go to the chemical store, you ask for fragrances, you perceive them, the ones you like, you use them and produce your air freshener. There is no standard fragrance or scent for air freshener. The scent you choose to use is the one that you have chosen. There is no standard formula. I said, okay, you have to use this particular scent. It's your choice. You just use something that is appealing to the nose, and you are sure also that your customers will like the odor when they spray it in their house. So I'm using a mixture of raspberry, lavender, and lemon. You can choose to use just one. You can go with the raspberry, you can go with vanilla, you can go with banana. But me, I like mixing them. Then this is my empty bottle. These are my air freshener bottles. I got them in the market or at the chemical store. So when I finish making it, I'm going to pour my air freshener into those empty bottles. So I'll start by producing them. You just look at this simple step. It's actually difficult. Follow the steps I'll be using in this video, and you will produce your own wonderful air freshener. Don't forget what I say. Texapon helps all the mixture stay together without separating. Don't forget. And the ethanol or the methanol or isopropyl alcohol, which they are all alcohols, they make the scent of the air freshener to spread around the house. That's the job of the methanol, which is also an alcohol. That's what it does in air freshener. It helps the scent to spread because alcohol easily evaporates. It is very volatile, so it can evaporate. So it evaporates and it will take the scent and it will spread it all over the room. So don't forget. And also don't forget that I run online classes on WhatsApp. If you need my trainings, you just check the description of this video. You will find a link. You just click on it and it will take you to the training group directly to WhatsApp. Or if you are having difficulties with the link, then you reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen. I have been displaying a phone number on the screen. You reach me there and chat me up on WhatsApp. Then you'll be added to the training group on WhatsApp. Then also don't forget that my ebook is also out. It's very rich, very educative. It has a lot of information. It has a lot of skincare tips. It has a lot of step-by-step on how to produce stuffs like the laundry bar soap, the detergent, the body cream, the Vaseline, the hair cream, the Dettol, air freshener. A lot of things, a lot of stuffs are actually in the ebook. Then the ebook also has information on how to get your NAFDAC registration number. It has the requirements that NAFDAC will need before they can give you a NAFDAC registration number. Then the offices where you can locate NAFDAC office in different states. is in the ebook. So every state in Nigeria has the address of NAFDAC. So you'll find NAFDAC addresses in every state in my ebook. Then my ebook also has addresses of chemical shops in Nigeria. So just in case you are in a different state and you don't know where to purchase your chemical, my ebook has the address of where they are selling chemical in different states in Nigeria. The ebook is not expensive. You just reach me on the number displayed on the screen to get or to purchase the ebook. It's not actually expensive, it's very affordable. Don't forget that there's the online class for those that want to learn more, and there's the ebook for those that will not have time to join the online class. You can go for the ebook. So I'm done producing the air freshener and I'm pouring it into my bottles. So you can see how it is. Actually spraying it, it has a very nice fragrance. Now whenever you produce air freshener, at least you have to keep it for at least 24 hours. The following day you will notice that the strength of the air freshener is stronger than when you produced it. Because the air freshener, when you keep it for some while, it gives it time for it to blend well, for the fragrances to mix well. So you actually feel the strength of your air freshener the following day. You feel how powerful it is the following day. And also, if you observe, I am cutting those pipes. Once the pipe is too long, the air freshener will not come out from the pump. So I'm cutting it so that when I press the pump, the air freshener can easily leave the bottle and come out like a spray. Well, if it's too long, it won't come out. So that's why I'm cutting those pipes. Yeah, those SS pipe, I'm cutting them out. Just in case you're wondering why I'm cutting them. Because it was too long. And once it's too long like that, it's difficult for the air freshener to leave the spray bottle. Alright, so don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on TikTok, I am on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, and I'm also on Instagram. Follow me on social media. And don't forget, we will have online classes and ebooks. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.